My Bible is nature, and God is all His creation. Observing and interacting with the birds, insects, fishes, plants, the sea, the sun, the moon, and even humans, I get close to the idea of God. I don't believe in written words. I learn to question them. I don't believe in truth. I believe in temporary truth. Things changes all the time. If we take our time and look to the sky, the clouds pass by and nothing is the same. Thanks God, everything changes. We are so arrogant. We think that He speaks with us in human words. God, for me, doesn't write in our language. His language is all over. If we just observe with attention, contemplating His creation, we can understand some of His beautiful things and learn lessons that only nature can teach. We kill in the name of God. We kill God. What a shame. We say that someone is violent as an animal, but they kill to eat, to survive. We kill because we are sick, thinking that we detain the truth of life because we want power. Please stop the world that I want to get off. If I don't believe in your religion, you think there's no salvation for me. What is salvation? There's salvation? I see starvation and segregation. And only a few people are worried with this. Until we have starvation in Africa and other places in the world, until we have useless wars around the world, we should be ashamed of ourselves. Starvation is not only lack of food, but lack of love and compassion. If I don't share your same point of view, you try to persuade me. And if I don't achieve your goal, I don't deserve to be loved, or worse, I have to be eliminated from the face of the earth. Maybe God is not God. There's so many gods around the world. Who gave His name? Wasn't Him. Is God he, she, it? Is God transgender? For me, God is an idea of man. We need to create something to support our pain, for us to handle the fact that we don't know nothing, to deal with the idea that we all die, get sick, and suffer, even though some religions try to explain the unexplainable. Life is a mystery to be lived and not to be understood. Again, we are so arrogant. We think we are made the image of God. We think we are God. But we are only a creation, like an insignificant bug or a fungus. Like the poet Manuel de Barros, I love the small, the useless, the insignificant. As I interact with them, I feel Him and all His glory. Amen.